Welcome everyone to my class. This is Chinmay Parida, primary teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gumla. This video deals with part 2 of the lesson Ice Cream Man, Unit 1 of Class 5 English book Marigold by NCERT. Earlier in part 1, we have learned poem recitation, explanation and new words, and in this part, we are going to discuss question and answers of the lesson Ice Cream Man. Let's start the lesson. Section 1. Reading is fun. In this section, we are going to do comprehension question and answers. Question number 1. In which season ice cream is popular? Obviously, ice cream is popular in summer season. Question number 2. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? The speaker feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Children also feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Question number 3. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. So, the ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate, strawberry flavors of ice cream in his cart. Question number 4. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? Answer. The ice cream man is selling ice cream and cold drinks. Let's go to section 2. Section 2. Let's write. Question 1. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in winter season. Answer for this question. In winter season, we can eat hot sandwiches and sip hot tea or coffee. We can also sit around a fire and eat popcorn and peanuts. Quite enjoyable, you know. Question number 2. List as many summer activities as you can. We can do swimming, trekking, going for picnic in the evening, drawing sketches or paintings, reading storybooks, playing video games, and playing cricket. All these things we can do in summer. You can add more activities you do in summer season. Question number 3. Now, group these activities into indoor activities and outdoor activities. Indoor activities, playing indoor games like chess, carom, etc. Drawing or painting pictures, reading storybooks, these are indoor activities. And what are the outdoor activities? Like swimming, trekking, playing cricket, going for a picnic. These activities are outdoor activities. Let's go to the next slide. Section 3. Say aloud. Section 3 says, circle the words where you get a z sound. One is done for you. Like when we pronounce the word honeybees, we get z sound. Here are the words. We have to encircle the words which give us z sound. So price, no. Prize, we get z sound when we pronounce prize. Then maize, face, in face we don't get rice, we don't get rise. We get blaze, we get fizz. Lazy, busy, rage, chase, these. The words we encircled, when we pronounce these words we get the z sound. Let's go to the next question. Section 4. Let's listen. Question 1. Listen and tell the sounds that these words in the poem produce. Cart. It produces chiming of the bell sound, trundling sound. The next one, drinks. Fizzing sound. When we open a drinks bottle, then the sound that produced is fizzing sound. Can you make these sounds? Yes, we can make the sounds using all these things. Question number 2. What are the sum of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? What are the sounds? I hear the sound of ringing a bell. We hear this sound when ice cream man comes. I hear ice cream man's cries aloud. Ice cream, these sounds we can hear. Then I hear the joyful shouting of the children. When ice cream man comes, children are so joyous that they rush to the ice cream man to get ice creams for them. These three sounds we can hear. These three sounds when ice cream man comes. Let's go to the next section. Section 5. Find out and write a report. Report writing. Question 1 says, write which do you think is the most popular ice cream. Answer for this question. August visited 3 ice cream parlors in our area. Mother Dairy sells 3 flavors named Mango Duet, Vanilla and Choco Bar. Quality Worlds offers Orange Bar, Twister and Choco Fit. Amul has Raspberry, Cola Bar and Surprise Bar. And the price range of these ice creams are from rupees 15 to rupees 25. We tested all of them. In my opinion, Mother Dairy's vanilla ice cream is the most popular. So this is the report we prepared after visiting all these ice cream parlors in our area. You can write your own report. Section 6. Word building. In this section, we will do activities related to vocabulary. Question 1 says, color the boxes that have rhyming words. We are given set of words and we have to find out the set of words which rhyme. So here the words city, cart. No. Heat, street. Yes, it rhymes. Blows, goes. Yes, it rhymes. Do, go. No. Hard yard. Yes, it rhymes. Bowl, doll. No. Cow, sow. No. Level, table. It rhymes. Sky, my. It rhymes. Play, obey. No. Race, face. It rhymes. Right, night. It rhymes. So all these words encircled in red are rhyming words, duets. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. What do the following words describe in the poem? Joyful, sight. Little, cart. Round, umbrella. Question number 3. What are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Cooling, brown and white. What? Mounds. Cooling, brown and white, mounds. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. These are flavors. Thick, cluster. That's all about this lesson. If you like the video, then like, share and comment. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then subscribe my channel